Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a time startup of my beast gaming PC that I built. i5 13600K, DDR4 RAM, and Windows 10, 32GB RAM, M.2 drives. Yeah, let's give you a start. It's quite fast actually, so I'll try to be accurate. Oh, start. There you go. I'm going to stop here as soon as it gets to the login screen. There you go. 18 seconds. It would be faster if my TV wasn't so slow, because it is on an actual TV. So I'll think I'll do this test again. But for now we'll call it 18 seconds. But yeah, a bit of that time was because of the fucking TV takes a piss. Because it is a 4K TV. It's not made for this. It runs at 30 FPS. You know. So when I do get a proper monitor, we'll run this test again. And when I do put the XMP on, which is overclocking the RAM to the DDR5 spec, it's at 4800 MHz at the moment, or 4800 MT. You can run it at 5600. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that as well. Then everything should be even quicker. But yeah, even this 18 seconds with this delay of the TV, it's not bad boot up time, guys. That's for real fast. Happy with that. That's with half the hard drives full. It's not bad, is it, guys? And there you go. Do you see what I mean, guys? This TV is just fucked. Look, what the hell is it doing now? But he fell asleep already, guys, the TV. What a donkey of a TV. Alright, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Look at this RGB. Let me give you a light show before you guys go. Did you like the light show, guys? Alright, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Good night.